Right, we nôl ar y ffôn. Dyn ni fod wedi recordio ar y ffôn yn lle cyntaf. Really sorry, the iPad crashed and it's only recorded the first half. So we were just about finishing the warm-up, okay? So I'm really sorry to have left you hanging there because now you're going to warm up and then you're going to have to go back to a second half. Yn fe bed?
Yeah.
Poen, as a pain. Very sorry. Ta beth, nôl â ni. Felly, be newn ni nawr, jyst i wneud yn siŵr bod ni'n cynhesu eto ar ôl hwnna, jyst i wneud yn siŵr bod curiad y galon ddim wedi mynd lawr yn reisel a bod ni'n cario ymlaen bod y gwaed yn pwmpo rownd y corff. So just to make sure that we haven't lost the benefit of all that lovely warm-up that we did in the first half, we're now going to do a little bit of hopping. Yay! Hop, 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 Betrys, ti'n barod? OK. Ydych chi'n gallu gweld ni? Ydych. OK? Betrys, dyma i'n neud hops. Pa fath o hops ti'n licio wneud? Ti'n chwarae? OK. Ti'n hoffi wneud hop fel kangaroo?
No, I like hopper bunny.
Alright, ti'n hoffi wneud hop fel bunny. Ti'n gallu wneud hop fel bunny i fi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sut bunny hops ti'n neud pan ti'n neud gymnastics, Betrys?
Do this.
Ti'n neud fel un. Bunny hops. 2, 3, 4. Dwyt, fel na. So, i lle bach hwn. Bach hwn. Os ydi hwn, bach yn ormod i chi. Jyst i trio nawr, gael curiad galon yn hwnna. Mae Betrys nawr yn mynd am raid ar ei malwodau hi. OK?
Stop, I need the tent.
Chi redig ar y spot? Os yw hwnna'n drafferthus i chi, cicio'r coesau allan. Yn am dro, cicio'r coesau allan, a dyna di breichiau ar yr un pryd.
Look at the top half.
Wel, mae'r car park dro fyna, Betrys. Nes i mynd parcio'r car fan. So ni just trio cael puff na eto. Just try to get our heart rate up again after that break between videos. Okay? Swing those arms. Siglo breichiau, nôl ymlaen. Okay, Bet. Alright. Betrys?
Yeah.
Ti'n mynd i wneud hwn gyda fi nawr te?
Na.
Ti'n barod i ddechrau?
Na.
As mae pawb yn aros. Iawn? Alright te, na i gario hwn te. OK, dyma ni nawr. Os ych chi'n teimlo bod chi wedi cynhesu digon, a ni jwmpo lan a lawr eto, os na, cicio'r coesau. Allan. Hefyd, cicio'r coesau tu ôl. Os chi awydd, dod â breichiau mewn hefyd. Just rhywbeth nawr. Freestyle o hwn, OK? Amser freestyle, newch beth bynnag chi moyn. Yna fe Bet? Mi eisiau chwerthin nhw se? Mi eisiau gwenu? Mi eisiau bod yn hapus? Bod yn hapus, byddwch yn hapus, that's Betrys' message. Be happy, OK? Yn amser caled, byddwch yn garedig, byddwch yn hapus. Be kind, be happy. Do your best. Clean off. Alright, dyma ni nawr. Dyma y workout. This is the workout. Dyma be ni'n mynd i fod yn neud. Ni'n mynd i fod yn redeg ar y spot. A ni'n mynd i neud hwnna. Ni'n mynd i neud 10, 40. That sounds quite a lot. If that is an awful lot for you, run on spot, just please do this. Newch hwn, OK? Ti eisiau neud y bed?
No.
OK. So, cwnio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Dad.
Okay. Now, 30. 40. Great. Now we're going to rest 20 seconds. Woo. Okay. So sorry about all the technical hitches. Sorry am hwnna. Wi ddim yn gwybod beth fi'n neud. Ni jyst yn trio cael bach o sport, yndyn ni? Okay. Nawr te. Nawr ni'n mynd i symud mlaen i squats. Okay? Y gyd o'r squat ydy, jyst fel istedd nos, mewn i gadair. Istedd nôl, mewn i gadair. Gweld nawr, pwffi fan hyn? Jyst fel sy'n ni'n istedd. Dyna yw'r symudiad, okay? Jyst istedd nôl, fel sy'n chi'n istedd fyna, okay? Yn ôl, chest line. Alright? Okay, a ni'n mynd i neud 12 o rei, just 12, okay? 12 squats, 12, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, iawn Bet? 5, 6, 7, okay, 8, cos ti'n ei fi chwerthin? 9, troi ffrin, 10, diolch gweld, 11, da iawn Bet, 12, A cael rest bach nawr am 15 eiliad, oce? Bydwch chi sy'n lawr ddo, neu fydd yr pwysau gwaed chi a'r curiad y galon yn mynd lawr. But don't sit down though, okay? You need to keep that heart rate up, okay? Mae'n bwysig. Gyd i eistedd lawr, achos o ti'n neud y byd, you can sit down, yeah. Nawr, ni'n mynd i fod yn neidio fel Jack. Okay? Yeah? Neidio fel Jack, okay? Neidio fel Jack, okay? Jumping jacks. Neidio fel Jack. Dyna beth ni'n neud. Ti'n mynd i neud y bed?
Na.
Os oes problemau gyda chi o gwbl yn neud hyn, if this is a bit too much as well, very simply, okay? Okay? Y ges i'r angen neud. Yr un peth, yr un symudiad, just heb yr impact. Okay? A ni'n barod. 30 o'r ein, 30. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 30 yn lot, ydw? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, go on, 30, 30, Nawr, ar ôl gorffwys am 20 eiliad, we rest now for 20 seconds, just to recover from that hard work. Give our heart a bit of a rest of it. Rhaid hoi bach, cymryd dŵr, bach o ddŵr. Gweithio bod digon o ddŵr gyda chi, mae'n mor bwysig efo dŵr. Tra ni'r mawr y corff, mae'n mor bwysig efo dŵr. Ta beth, mae'n helpu ni I fyw, okay? You cannot live without water, you need it. You need more during these times, okay?
Calabil.
Nawr, ni'n mynd I wneud be fi wedi galw'n cwtio pen-glin, okay? Ni'n mynd I wneud 12 o'r ein. Cwtio pen-glin ydi hwn. Hang on, it takes coordination this one. Cwtio pen-glin. Ni'n mynd 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Ni'n mynd 12 o'r ein yn y gyd. Nice and simple. Cwtio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fydden ni'n cynghori chi wneud drwy'n os Kevin tos gyda chi. You could just do a light lifting, okay? Of the knees. Alright? But don't bring them up. That will aggravate your back. Okay then, nawr ni'n mynd I wneud sgïo. Pwy sy'n hoffi sgïo? Ti'n hoffi sgïo?
What is it?
What is it? Exactly. What is skiing? Fi erioed wedi bod I sgïo. Fel hyn ni'n mynd I wneud. Ski. Ski jumps, right? Ski hops. Ni'n mynd I wneud hwn. Whoosh! 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 Ti eisiau gwneud hynna?
Yeah.
Oce de, ti'n barod? Ni'n mynd I 14, 14, 14. Sy'n rhaid ti'n neud nhw gyd, na faint bynnag ti moyn. You do as many as you can, barod? Whoosh!
I just want to do one.
3, 4, 5, 6. Eto, if this is too hard,
Oh yeah.
do this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wait. Whoosh! Oh, Betrys, ti'n funny. Okay, how we doing? Let's do 2 more. 1, 2. Barod.
Hello.
Nawr, ar ôl rest bach, 20 eiliad. Ydi chwarae fyna, please, cariad bach. Okay, 20 eiliad. Whoops, it is. Ni'n mynd I wneud cylchwyd brichau. O'n i'n mynd I wneud fel hyn. Nofio. Swimming. Nofio. Front crawl, okay? Sure you're all missing swimming. The Betrys yn gweld eisiau nofio yn fawr iawn. Dim pwll nofio, ond fe. Okay. Pawb wedi cael rest, pawb yn iawn. Cymryd ddŵr os chi angen. Drink water, please, if you need. Okay? 15 o'r ein nawr, cylchwyd brichau. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ac yn ôl, backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, backstroke. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Anghofus I weid, I completely forgot to say, please keep your knees soft in all these exercises. Keeping your knees soft will protect the joints. Okay? Need that help. Okay? Okay. Now, you mynd I orffwys. Oh, Daddy. Cover off. Daddy mynd I redeg. Dad's off running. Where is he? There he is. Bye-bye. Going out to get his exercise of the day. Gobeithio byddwch chi gyd yn neud hefyd. A bydd Betrys a fi mynd mas nes ymlaen. We'll go on our bikes. Okay, Betty Boobs. Ni'n mynd i dyn arall nawr, ni'n mynd i neud hwn. Ti eisiau neud hwn gyda fi? Mae hwn yn sport. This is called the shuffle. The next one, okay? Ni'n mynd i just 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Na gyd ni'n mynd i neud. Ond, os chi'n teimlo yn egniol, if you feel energetic, energetic, ni'n mynd i neud hwn. 1, 2, 3, hop! 1, 2, 3, hop! 1, 2, 3, hop! Just now di 1, 2, 3 te, okay? Ni'n mynd i neud 10. 10 of these and then a 30-second rest, okay? Really good. Fi'n mynd i neud y tycriad, okay? Barod? Go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nawr y hop mewn. 1, 2, 3, hop! 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 What are we? How many of this? 10, iawn. 1, 2, 3, hop! Mae'n anodd yn dweud. Eto, unrhyw problemau? You just do this, okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Right, 2 fach arall. 1, 2, 3, hop! 1, 2, 3, hop! Good rest, 30 seconds now, okay?
Yeah.
Cymryd dŵr. Now that really should have got your heart rate up, okay?
I just buy Salvail, yeah.
A gobeithio bod chi gyd yn alright.
I just buy Salvail.
Mae'n bwysig cadw'n iach yn dweud. Bwysig cael sport. It's important to have fun.
You just buy...
Betrys, we are going to help you. You will need a partner for the next one, or do it by yourself. But if you've got a child around who is willing or not,
By the way,
okay.
and it is a toilet.
Betrys, nid i ddod i neud bike gyda fi, please. Nid i ddod fan hyn. Ni'n mynd i ystod fan hyn, ni'n mynd i roed yn coesau fel yna gyda'i gilydd. Ti'n dda wneud hwn. Dyna dy goesau lan i mami, te. Lan a ti. Dangos. Lan a ti. Barod. A ni'n mynd i 10 y reid. So, fel ti ar bike. Okay? Coesau rhwng rhwng. Woo! Ble ti'n mynd ar dy bike, Betrys? Ddim quite fel e. Mwy fel un. Ond mae Betrys eisiau gwneud e fel e. So fel bod chi'n gweithio fel mas, fel bod chi'n neud bike eich gilydd fel yna, okay? Dim pwyso nôl gormod. Sorry, fi'n gallu gweld fi'n pwyso nôl gormod. Your posture is very important. I can see myself leaning back too much, so I'll correct that, because Betrys is pushing me a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you need to do that. And then we're going to stand up. Stand up slowly though, okay? Fel bod ddim yn cael pen dro. Stand up slowly though, because we don't get a bit dizzy. Ti'n cofio pen dro o ddoi, Betrys?
Don't know.
You don't know. Okay, dim ond. A nawr, ni'n mynd i fynd nôl i'n redig ar y spot, okay?
Sorry, my sister.
3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you're feeling very energetic, get those knees up. Get them up. If you're not, keep them down low. If you're really having problems, you just do this. Just keep marching. Just keep moving. That's all it's about, okay? Dyna gyd sy'n bwysig. Okay. All right. So let's run really quickly, orphan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Okay. So that was the main workout. Now we're going to do a cool down and some stretches. Okay? Woo! Mae'n bwysig wedyn neu cool down. Fel bod popeth yn mynd nôl i'w le. Fel bod y galon yn mynd nôl i faloddi mewn i orffwys. Faloddi cyn i chi ddechrau ymarfer. A bod y cyhyrau i gyd yn mynd nôl i'r cyflwr oedd nhw yn yma cyn i chi ddechrau ymarfer. And so your muscles then go back to their former state, back to a state of rest as they were before you started. Okay, so na gyd ni'n mynd i nawr, ni'n mynd i gerdded. Just going to walk on the spot, or if you've got a larger house than me, you have more room, go for a walk around your living room. Go for a walk, go and check out the corners of your living room that need cleaning like mine. Okay, just cerdded ar y spot. I just yn trio arafu pethau lawr. Betrys, ti'n gallu cerdded yn araf? Yn araf? Can you walk slowly for me? Ti'n gallu dangos pa mor araf ti'n gallu cerdded? O, cerdded yn araf. O, araf. Slow. Araf. Slow. Araf. Da iawn, Betrys. Da iawn, Betrys. Slow it right down. Pwy sy'n cerdded yn araf? Who do we know that walks slowly? Robot. Ydy robot yn cerdded yn araf?
Robot yn it.
O de, na robot.
I am a robot. I am a robot.
Robot yn cerdded yn araf. Neu
Na.
robot. Na? Dwi'n gorfod dweud I am a robot.
Say, I am a robot. I am a robot.
Okay?
Say that.
Yeah. A nawr lawr i stretches, okay? So ar yn sefyll ni'n mynd i wneud rhywbeth sydd yn stretcho fan hyn. Okay? The glutes yn penolau ni. Be ni'n mynd i wneud? Bach yn tricky, rai falle. Okay? We're going to cross our leg over this side. Left. Good. Right over left, okay? Fe dros y chwith. A ni jyst yn mynd i ystod nhw. Yna fa, okay? Gellu bod bach yn tricky. O, na i roi brech lawr. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Le mae'n edrych o'r ochr. Fel mae'n edrych o'r ochr. Okay. Nawr, penara bach, lawr i llawr. A ni'n mynd i eistedd nawr ar y penolau, on our sitting bones, gyda traed yn cyffwrdd o'n blaenau ni, yn gallu gweld, a sharp diamond, okay? A diamond shape o'n blaenau ni. Ni'n mynd i roed un penelyn fyna, a ni just yn mynd i bwyso yn erbyn y coesau ni i agor tu fewn i'r coesau. Inner thigh stretch. Inner thigh stretch, okay? Just with your feet in front of you, sitting on your sitting bones, pushing your elbows into your knees. Please don't arch your back or round your back. Neutral spine, yeah? Okay. Now ni'n mynd i estyn y goes there. Stretch your right leg out. This is a stretch for the hamstring, okay? Back of the leg, curve yn y coes, hamstring. Curve yn y coes, back of the leg. Pwyso ymlaen, lean forward, try to touch your toes. Again, no rounding of the back. Try to keep it as neutral as possible. And only stretch the muscle of the hamstring. Relax all the other muscles, i.e. the calf. Okay, ac ymestyn, stretch. A dal am bymtheg eiliad. Ti'n blino, Betrys? And hold for 15 seconds. There are lots of different hamstring stretches. This is the one I prefer to do because of my back. Okay, I'll swap. Okay, coes chwith, left leg. Coes there, yn cyffwrdd y coes chwith.
The baby's sick.
Ac ymestyn. Oh, my baby'n sal. The baby is sick. Oh dear, 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 dear. Be sy'n bod ar y babi, Betrys?
Not so right temperature.
Oh, mae Grace yn hi. She's got a temperature. Oh, be sy'n bod yn hi te? Okay. Okay, nawr, ni'n mynd i wneud stretch i'r cefn. I waelod y cefn, okay? Lower back stretch. So, gorfod lawr. A cwtio coesau at y chest. Chi'n cael ei gweld fi? O de. Cwtio coesau. Mae hwnna'n really nice i'r cefn, okay? Dal hwnna'n bymtheg eiliad. Hold it for 15 seconds. If you want to progress that stretch, you just bring the knees closer to the chest, okay?
The baby not standing still.
Na. Nawr ar eich boliau chi. Ball, belly. Ball, belly. Ar eich boliau, on your belly, okay? Go on the flat.
I don't
Llaw chwith. Okay, put your left hand down on your head as well. Okay, yeah. And stretch your right leg towards you. Bring your right heel to your right buttock.
baby ear.
Okay.
It's not right.
Yeah, another few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap. Y llaw there, y llaw, right hand. Pen ar y llaw, head on your hand. Bring your left heel to your left buttock. Okay? Sef y chwith i'r chwith. A stretch. Dala am 15 eiliad, please. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any of these difficult, if you cannot reach, it's fine. It's fine. You can use a towel. You can use, if you have a different trouser leg, you pull the trouser leg, okay? Don't worry about it. It doesn't have to reach. Just do your best, but no pain. Dim poen, okay? If anything hurts, please discontinue the stretch. Anything starts to tremble, unrhyw beth yn crynu, pidwch yn neud e. Right, lawr I bol nawr, okay? Breichio fel un, on your forearms, okay? Flat ar y llawr, yn edrych lawr, okay? Head faces down. Okay, lawr yn ni, flat ar y llawr, and then just push the shoulders away. Push the shoulders, okay? Mae'r ysgwyddau yn codi, dim ond yr ysgwyddau. Cadw bol ar y llawr. Your belly, your hips, your legs remain fixed to the floor. It is an abdominal stretch, not a back stretch. Pen lawr. Head looks down. Shoulders nice and relaxed down the back. Ar y cefn. Okay. Okay. Now, ni'n mynd mewn i'r hip flexors. So coes there, right foot forward. Okay. So what do I want to do? Oh no. What am I doing? Right hand within the right foot. Where does he go blin o do? I told you I was tired. Okay. Okay. Swap the legs. Swap your coesau. Coes chwith. Left leg. Okay. Left hand within. Okay. It's a little bit too much. Wedi wneud gormod ar y stretch fyna. Dim gormod. Any pain, pull back. Okay. Dim poen. Okay. A ni bron yna. Nawr ni'n mynd I ddod I eistedd. Croesi coesau, or whatever's comfortable for you. Coesau eich blaen chi, coesau wedi croesi, beth bynnag sy'n gyfforddus I chi. Nawr ni jyst yn mynd I stretcho y cyhyrau fan hyn, okay? Top y cefn I lawr, y lats, alright? Ni jyst yn mynd I ymestyn. Rhaid y breichio fel hyn. Do not interlock fingers, okay? Just rhaid nhw un o flaen y llall fel hyn, okay? A lan. A push. A ni'n cadw rein yn soft. Okay? Y pen yn lunnau yn soft. 1, 2, 3. Ac yn ddadlu a push. Okay. Ac o'r ochr, mae hwn yn edrych fel hyn. Gael gweld. From the side, this is what it looks like. And we're just pushing gently up, okay? Pushing away from the body. A nawr ni'n mynd I wneud hwn ar gyfer y cefn uchel. The upper back. Our arms are exactly the same as before, fel oedd nhw o'r blaen. Okay? No interlocking fingers. Elbows kept soft. Popeth yn feddwl fyna, okay? A ni'n mynd I wthio I ffwrdd, and as we push away, now we can round, and we bring our head to our chest. Mae'r pen yn dod lawr nawr. Head, pen. Okay? Okay, a ni bron y gorffen. Nawr, ni'n mynd I godi yn araf, fel bod neb yn cael pen dro, achos ni wedi dod a popeth lawr I llawr. Nawr ni'n mynd I godi lan. We've brought it all back down to the floor on the stretch curve. Nawr ni'n mynd I godi nôl lan. Okay? Lan â ni. Okay, a ni just yn mynd I wneud nawr rhywbeth sydd yn estyn hwn, ond sydd yn really good stretch I ochr y corff hefyd. Okay, croesi goes there. The right leg in front of the left leg. The right arm. Over the side of the body, dros y corff, body, corff. Remember to breathe, cofiwch yn arlu, mae'n bwysig, a gwenu hefyd, please. A nawr dod o hwnna lawr, dod o goes nôl, goes chwith, dros y goes dde. Okay, nadlu mewn, nadlu allan, a pwyso draw i'r dde. Chi'n teimlo fo gyd lawr fyna? Feel down there. Lawr yr ochr, down your side, lawr ochr y goes. Okay. A dyna ni wedi gorffen. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Chi glwb pengliniau. Did you hear my knees? Pengliniau, knees. Mae Betrys wedi mynd. Wedi hen fynd. Betrys? Ni'n mynd I weid ta-ta nawr? Ti eisiau dod I weid ta-ta? Mae Betrys yn dweud na. She's not in the mood. Today, she's not in the mood. I told you. Yeah, we've not had very much sleep. Dwi ddim wedi bod yn sport. We wedi cael 5 awr. I've had 5 hours sleep. So, gobeithio wnaethoch chi joio. Sorry for the technical hitches. Sorry bod chi'n goffa gwylio fe mewn 2 ran. Okay? Cymerwch ofal. Byddwch yn ddiogel. Byddwch yn iach. Drychwch ar ôl eich gilydd. Look after each other. Cariad mawr. Bye bye. Hwyl!